Hello guys, welcome to the next video on checkpoint use cases. Today we are going to create a new video. In this we will learn, suppose that you forget the password of expert. How do you reset that? Many times we face this kind of issue. To resolving the issue, this is very simple way to resolve that. What you need to do, you need to run simple command, that is show configuration. So configuration, yeah, here you need to find the hash value of admin. Yeah, look, this is the admin, this is the password of administrator. This is the hash value. So what you need to do, you need to copy this file, copy this text. This is the encrypted hash value of the password. And what you need to do the next, you need to run one command, set expert password hash, and give this hash value, same hash value, and just need to paste it. That's it. And again you need to run the expert and give the same password which you used to log into the gateway. I'm here using admin 123. Look, these are the simple way to reset the password of expert. I hope you like this video. If you like, please do like the video and subscribe my channel. Thank you.